Hello students. So students, we have done 3 chapters up to now. The first one is warm up exercise, then the number and the number names, that is chapter number 1, and then Roman numerals, that is chapter number 2. And today we will start with our third chapter, that is addition. Addition. So what is addition? All of you already have done, all of you have already done addition in your previous classes. Okay, you have done addition without carry or with carry also, or that is called regrouping also. Okay, so you have done, I think in class 3 up you have done addition up to 3 digits and 4 digits. Okay, but in you now you are in class 4, and today we will start addition with 3, 4 and 5 digits along with regrouping or along with carry. Okay, so with and without carry sums will be there in this chapter. Okay, so let's just recall the first one. Yes, addition without carrying. Addition without carrying. Okay, I'll show you on this. First of all, I'll take 4 digit addition. That means 4 values, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, 1 is here, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 6, 3, 4. Okay, this is called addition. Okay, 1 plus 5, if we plus 1 to 4, it will become 5. Then 2 plus 3, if we add both these two, it will become 5. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, so as you can see in this sum, we have simply we have simply added the sums, the digits. Okay, we have added the digit at one's place with the another digit at one's place, both the digits as tens place, both the digits and hundred place, and both the digits at thousand place. Okay, so in this sum, as you can see, we have done addition without carry. No number is taken forward. Okay. Now we will start with another method, that is addition with carry. Okay. And ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 4 digit addition. Okay, suppose it is 2, 4, 6, 3, 1, 5, 8, 7. Okay, as we add 3 and 7, what will we get? We will get 10. What will we get? We will get 10. So as we get 10, so what will we do? We will put 0 at one's place and take away the 1 and put it at the another place value, that is tens, and circle it also, so that it will it will be easy for you, so that you have to add this one also. Okay, if we add 3 and 7, when we added 3 and 7, it became the answer was the answer was 10. So the digit at one's place at the addition gives 2 digit number. So what we have done, we have taken 0 at one's place, and the 1 is taken from here, which was at the tens place, and moved it to the another place value, that is tens. Okay, again if we add 6 and 8, what will be the answer? It will be 14. Okay, just a second. Okay, again we will do, if we add 3 and 7, it will become 10. Okay, see, we have taken 0 as it is a 2-digit number, so we have taken 0 and put it here at our ones place, and take away the 1 and put it on the another place value, that is tens. Okay, now it is, now we will add 6 and 8. If we add 6 and 8, if we add 6 and 8, what will be our answer? Yes, it will be 14. It will be 14. Okay, if we add 14 and we are having 1 also here. So 14 plus 1, it is 15. So we will put 5 here and 1 will be taken away to the another place value, that is 100. Now we will add another two numbers, that is 2 and 5. If we add 2 and 5, what is the answer? 7. And 1 above 8, 7, and 1 is carried above, so it will become 8. As it is a single digit number, so we will put it like this, 8 only. Okay, again 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 4850. Okay, but you have already done these kinds of sum, carry, without addition, with carry and without carry, or you have already done. Okay, I am just giving you a recall of the exercise. Okay, so you will do like this only. Let's take another example also. Okay, so now we will do addition with 5-digit numbers, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, the writing is little bit, but just adjust with that. Okay, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, and another number is 4, 3, 8, 6, 9. If we add these number, as it is a 5-digit number, so we always start calculation from the right hand side. So if we add 9 and 7, if we add 9 and 7, what will be the answer? It will be 16. As 16 is here, so we will put 6 here and 1 will be carried to the another digit, that is another place value, that is tens. Okay, now we will add these 3. 6 plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10. So 10 is the number. So 0 will be put here and 1 will be carried forward to the another place value. Okay, now we will add these 3. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, again 10. 0 will be here and 1 will be carried to the next number. Okay, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Now add both these numbers. Here we have added all these 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So the answer is 78,006. Okay, so this is the simple addition you will do with carry. Okay, so here it is also mentioned, as you can see in example number 2. So addition with carry, or we also called it as regrouping. Okay, let's take a look at this sum. 3,476 plus 2,865. When we add 6 and 5, it will become 11. So 11 is here. So 1 is here. Another one is taken to the another place value, that is tens. And now we have to add all the digits at the tens place, that is 1, 7 and 6. If we add these 3, what will be the answer? The answer will be 14. So 4 is here and 1 is taken to the another place value, that is 100. Okay, now at 100 place we will add 1, 4 and 8, and when we add these numbers, the answer will be 13. So 3 is here, at the 100th place and 1 is taken to the another place value, that is 1000. Now we will add 1, 3 and 2, and we have after adding these three numbers, what is the answer? Answer is 6. Suppose at the last is the answer came 16 in any case, so you will write it as 16 only, okay, because this is our last place value in any sum. Okay, now moving to the next. Okay, moving to the next question, 3.1. Okay, as you see beta, there are lots of sums for practice. Okay, 31 sums are here, okay, of exercise 3.1. So you will do all these sums 1 to 31 of addition. It is simple addition, okay, in your book only. Okay, do these sums 1 to 31 in your book only for practice. Okay, no need to write in the notebooks. There are other sums also that we will do in our notebooks. Okay, no need to write these sums. Okay, okay, I'll just give you one more example. Suppose just like 30 and 31st sum, if there are three, if we have to three numbers, okay, if we have to add three numbers just like this, the above, we will do it this only. Okay, suppose it is 2, okay, 2 3 4 6 1 3 3 1 7 4 2 1 8 6 2. Okay, suppose you have to all these add these numbers. These are three numbers. So first of all, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 is here. Okay, moving to the next, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 6 19. 9 will be here and 1 will be carry forward. Okay, now 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 5 plus 8 13, 13 and 1 14. 4 is here and 1 will be taken here. Okay, moving to the next, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7 and plus 1 8. Okay, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7. So the answer is 78,497. It is as simple as the another one. Okay, if you have to add two numbers or three numbers, they are all similar. There is no change in the pattern of their addition. The addition will be same. Okay, so just do practice of these these 31 sums that you have already done. This is a simple addition, and if you are having any kinds of doubts, just ask me in the WhatsApp group regarding any question. Okay, or just attend the online live class whenever I take it. Just make sure you attend it. Okay, so today. Okay, now moving to the another one. Okay, this is enough for today. Okay, just keep practicing. Okay, whatever the task is given, whatever the homework is given, you must do it. Okay, and in good handwriting, in proper notebook. It should be neat and clean. Don't take it as a the way that is your homework only. It is a proper fair notebook. So make it properly, neatly, and do all the homework. All the videos are available on the website, school website, so just look from there. Okay, okay, so this is enough for today. Okay, good day.